Are you looking for to activate public bank credit card? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily activate your credit card of public bank. First thing first, you need to head over to Safari. Inside Safari, in the address bar, search for public bank credit card activation. After that, you need to head over to the very first site, activate online and overseas transactions. Once you're in this official page of public bank, you will need to click on Login at the top right corner of the screen and then click on PBE. Wait for a while for it to load. Now you need to sign in into your PBE account. First thing first, enter your login ID. Once you have entered, click on Next. Enter the password of your account. Once you have been logged in the home page you will be able to see Activate Credit Card. Click on it. Enter your card number and other detailed informations. After that, tap on Next. Follow the on-screen process. Now once all the information has been provided, your credit card will be activated and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.